Good evening, traders. This is Coach Alex, Freedom Trading Club. 30 minutes of trading. The market is inside this range. So if you don't want to get hooked up in the chop, you say, let them fight it out. And whoever wins the battle, I either go short down here or long up here. And you let everybody else beat each other up. Now, obviously, if you're scalping, which way should you trade? From the long side or the short side? We've been trading for what? The short side, yeah. It's a breakout. That's what it is. But it's a significant breakout because what it's saying is the first 30 minutes, what is happening? The institutions are battling. Some are trying to push it up to get their clients short. Others are trying to push it down because they're already short, right? Someone's going to win that battle. Whoever wins the battle of 30 minutes, it's the same thing we do with the 11 o'clock reversal or like the 11 o'clock panic level. We wait till the market either goes up or down. Now, the same thing. We know this is the 10 o'clock high. That means later on, if the market's at 35,150, you can guarantee that everybody who is short in the world would be losing money if it goes above there. Yeah, it doesn't matter. This is still the battle zone, right? Traders are long here and traders are short there. They are battling. They're still short or long. It doesn't matter, right? Now, if you guys are short, if anybody's short, remember, we've had high stochastics. We had the sell signal here. Remember this 318 sell signal on inversion. Right? That was the only signal that we had, right? Here, let's show you that. High stochastics above 80. Where was here's the trade, right? So what does stochastics mean, right? Other than the wiggly lines. All right. It measures each bar on a chart and it looks at the one bar at a time and says, during the trading in that bar, are we closing at the high end, at the top, or the low? If we close at the high, it adds to the stochastic number. It's like an evaluation number. You see, like now it's going up because look at these last 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, green, are closing near their high. So the stochastic is going up. And then when the individual bar starts closing near their low, that's sort of saying, oh, now the bears are taking over. Because think about it. Just forget the whole market. Just talk about one bar. There's a battle. Buyers are pushing it up. Sellers are knocking it down. Eventually, by the time that bar closes, somebody wins. It's like the end of round in boxing. You don't have to say who wins the whole fight, but you could say in that round, this person won it. Same thing in stochastic. So it leaves a number. And the great way pointing out the range is between 0 and 100. 100 means, for example, if you have 14 bars, which is the range, you're looking at 14 range. In other words, 14 bars you're evaluating on your stochastic, right? So if you're evaluating 14 bars, to get 100 on the stochastic indicator, every one of those 14 bars have to close at the exact high before the next bar. That would be very, very overbought. And the bulls are in complete control. It also tells you eventually they're going to get greedy and nervous then and start taking profit. And then the bears take over. That's stochastics. So as it stays high, it means more and more of these bars are closing near their high, puts it very high. And here you get almost 100. Do you see this? Why? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars out of 14 are near their high, and then the bears take over. That bar goes up and down. Does everybody see that? Then the stochastic says, it's starting to slip. And then now near the lows, near the lows, near the lows, near the lows. A couple of these, even though they're green, the battle is here, close near the low. Battle's up there and close near the low. This one in the middle. This one at the high. So you get a little dip back to the low and then down, flush out. And then we start back up again. So that's the stochastic. That's why it's a good tool to use to say, where am I in that cycle, overbought or oversold, so you don't chase a market. That's its main function. Helps you understand it better. Thank you. If you need to know any more about our trading methods, please check us out, freedomtradingclub.com. Be happy to welcome you aboard. Have a good night.